Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 21 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how you can use rewrite suggestions in MS Word. Using rewrite suggestions, MS Word suggests alternatives to the words you are using. So, let's see how we can do this. First, select the word whose alternatives you want to see, and then right-click on the word and go to Synonyms. Now, as you can see, there are many suggestions here. Just select any of the alternatives mentioned here, and the words will be changed. Similarly, select the other words and change it as needed. So, this is how you can use suggestions in Word. Thank you, hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.